Hi Dress Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw my melody as a unicorn from Sanrio. So let's get started. To draw a cute melody, let's first start by drawing a big oval for her eyes. So let's come right here and I'm just going to start with a curve and bring it down and go around and connect. There. Now that I have one, I'm going to go right across, pretty wide, say about right here. And I'm just going to go ahead and draw the same thing. So now that my two ovals in, I'm just going to come in here and shade it all in black. And same thing here. Now that we have the eyes in, let's come in between. We're going to draw a little oval for the nose. So say about right here, I'm just going to go ahead and draw a little oval right there. And then right underneath this oval, we're going to draw a curve for a happy and sweet smile there and cap it off. So now that we have that, now comes the complicated part of having to draw her hoodie. So I'm going to come in between her eyes and about right, let's say about right here, I'm just going to find my center just so I know what I'm doing, where I'm going. And so this I know is my center. I'm just going to come about right, let's say about right here. And I'm going to draw a curve. So this is basically going to be the snout of our unicorn. So I'm just going to be drawing a big oval right in between. So say about right there. Now that I have that curve, I'm just going to go up and around to create my big oval at the top. There, so right in between the eyes. Then from there, I'm just going to come in here and just draw a little oval for nostril so we know that's the unicorn, for the unicorn. And then from there, I'm going to come about right here, about the center of our snout area. Two sides, and I'm going to basically draw a curve going all the way around. So for the opening of our hoodie, so I'm just going to draw a big oval basically. So same thing over here. Go around the eyes, and we're going to bring it down. So I'm going to find my center again, and I'm just going to say about right here. I'll just give myself a point so I know where I'm going. And let's go around the eyes. And I'm just going to aim towards my point. So it's just a lot easier for me to draw since I'm drawing pretty big to give myself points so I know where I'm going. But if you're drawing small at home, you might not need it. So right here, I'm just going to go ahead and connect. So as you can see, we drew a big oval around. If you're using a pencil, just draw this big oval first and then you can put in the snout. Maybe that might be easier. Okay, so then from there, we're going to come about right here and we're going to draw the hoodie itself now. So we're going to taper this part and we're basically drawing another, just like a big dumpling shape right here. So we're going to come right here, taper it nice and thin about right here. And we're going to get a little bit wider. So then from there, we're going to go up nice and high. And I'm going to slant this down a bit more than usual. So we come right across. So say about right here. It's easier for my hand to go down on this side. And I'm just creating this dumpling shape now for the top of our head. So I'm just going to say about right here, back and forth. And I know there's a tuft of hair that I need to draw in the center. So this is my center, say about right here. Just give myself a point. And from here, I'm just going to imagine this curve is going to go complete right here. And so about right here, I'm just going to start and draw this big curve that comes down and hits my point. And I'm going to go right back up. So now that I have that, I can go ahead and finish this. And just imagine it's coming through and it'll pop out right about here for the other side. And now we can complete our head. So once again, if you're using a pencil, just draw this head shape first and then put in the tuft of the mane on the top. And definitely go back in and make any adjustments you need. Okay, so now that I have that, I can finish this. I'm just gonna bring it up, nice and round, and bring it back down. There, and you just come back in and smooth it out. Okay, so now that I have that, let's come to the sides right here, and we're going to draw some unicorn ears. Come up, round off the tip, and bring it down. Then we're going to draw the inside. So just follow your outside. So same thing across. So just go up, round off the tip, and bring it down. And once again, draw the inside. There. And then we need to draw the horn, of course. So find your center once again and just go up a little bit. So say about right here. We're going to round it off and slant it down right in the center for our horn. And let's come back in here and just going to draw some curves. Give it some details. So now that we have that, let's go ahead and draw my Melody's ears. So we're going to come about right here. And we're going to draw her floppy bunny ears. So just bring a big curve down and then just tuck it in about right here. There. So same thing across, about right here. And once again, I'll just give myself a point so I know where I'm going on the other side, about right there. And we're just going to bring down a big curve just like the other side. And round it off and connect. There. Okay, and then for some details, if you like, you can come in here. There's some bows. So on the sides right here, I'm just going to go ahead and draw a big oval, and then I'm going to put in the loops. So if you're using a pencil, you would just erase that. And so same thing on the other side, about right here. Another oval and the loops. And I'll go in there and erase that later. Okay, so now we're done. Oh my gosh, almost forgot. The eyes of our unicorn, so important. So in this area right here, I'm just going to draw a curve, come across about right here and do the same thing. Now I'll just come in here and thicken this up. And same thing here. And then just add perhaps like maybe 3 lashes. I have a very juicy Sharpie today. It makes drawing these thicker lines much easier. Okay, so now that that's it. We're pretty much done with the face, the head. Come here and round this part off a little bit more. And then now we can draw the cute little body. But before we do that, let's come to the center about right here. And there's this little detail from my melody. So I'm going to come right here and here and draw 2 curves. And I'm going to come about right here, like where the eye. And I'm just going to go ahead and connect this part of her hoodie. So same thing here on the other side. There. And now that we have that, now we can go ahead and just come about right here and draw a curve down. Now before we finish it, let's come back to the center area. So this is our center. Just going to come back to the side on both sides, so like there. And just like all of my other Sanrio unicorns, I'm just going to draw a curve, 2 curves right here for the front legs. So about right there, just round it off and come back into the space, thicken it up, round it off, and connect. So same thing here. Hopefully this is nice and simple for you to follow with me. So we're just going to draw these 2 curves, and whatever space you've created here, just draw a little line to connect. And come back in here, and we're going to draw 2 curves for the hoofs. Maybe I'll make this one a little bit longer. There. Then let's come back into the space about right here and just gonna drop a circle for our back. Hoof. Make this a little bit lower. There. And then whatever space you have left, just connect it. So same thing here. And connect. There. And so then on the hoofs, let's add a heart on both of them. And this side. There. And let's add a tail. If you want to do that, let's come about right here, and I'm just going to sneak in a little curve right about here. Just a little indication of a tail. Curve and then tuck it in. There, and that is pretty much it for my drawing here of my Melody as a unicorn. I really hope you love how she turned out, and I helped you draw her fun and easy. Thanks so much for watching, and if I helped you today, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.